Hello pattern couture family, I'm back with another beautiful top. We call it bustier top. So let's start with the cutting. We should always cut the fabric according to the selvage line and have to make sure that we are going according to our patterns. Also keep your all patterns straight and not tilted. In this way, your fabric will be cut in a very straightish form and the print will not be disturbed. Each and every pattern should be cut very clearly and very vigilantly. And as you can see, I'm done with my cutting and here are my patterns. So let's start with the stitching. I'm going to join the side seams of front and back bodice. I'm placing 1 centimeter stitch on both sides. And my side seams are almost done. This is how it's going to look like when we have joined our side seams. Now I'm joining the side seams of our lower body part. Let's do it. Placing 1 centimeter stitch on both sides like we did with our top bodice. And this is how it's going to look like when we have joined both the side seams of top and bodice. And now we have to join the side seams of top and lower body part. I'm pinning up the side seams first so that the stitching line doesn't move. Now I am adjusting the fabric in the form of pleats so that it gives a good flowy and flared look in the front. All I'm doing is just pinching the volume of the fabric and pinning it for stitching later. It's as easy as it seems. Pinch and pin. That's all we have to do. And as you can see, we are done with the front part. Now let's do back. Pinching, turning it into a pleat and pinning it. I'm giving smaller pleats on the back because we have small pleats at the back and we don't want such volume at the back. We are done with the volume adjustment. Now stitch it. Giving 1 centimeter stitch all over the waistline. Which joins the top and bottom part of the top. And we are done joining the waist seam line of the top. So this is the fabric for our sleeve, and for sleeve I am going to give a stitch at here, and now let me show you how. We have to fold the fabric twice by 0.5 centimeter for the stitch, and now I'm going to lock it with a pin first so that it doesn't move. Now we'll start stitching. I'm giving this stitch at 0.5 centimeter as I told you how I have folded the fabric inside. We are basically making a tunnel or a pipe for our elastic to go inside. We'll continue to stitch it till the end. It's done now. This is how it's going to look like after we have stitched on both the sides. Let's put the elastic inside, and for that I'm taking this safety pin and I'm going to pinch it inside the elastic and then lock it. Now I'm going to put it inside the tube we have created by stitching. As you can see, I'm pushing the safety pin inside and pulling the remaining fabric outside. And this is what you have to do it until the safety pin comes outside from the other side. We are almost done with it, and now I'm going to stitch the elastic after it comes out. This is how it's going to look like after we have stitched all four sides. And now I'm going to stitch the side seams of our sleeve. I'm giving 1 centimeter stitch. We are done with our first sleeve. Repeating the same thing on the other sleeve, giving 1 centimeter stitch all the way down. Let's finish our hem, and for hem I'm going to fold the fabric twice by 1 centimeter once and then 1 centimeter again in a sandwich form, and I'll put a stitch at the edge like this. We'll give a 1 centimeter stitch from start till end. And that's how we're done with our hem. And after joining the hem, I'm going to join the center back of our top, and for that I'm joining the waistline of both the sides. I'm matching the seams so that it doesn't move, and for that I'm pinning it. And I'm stitching it just till the half of our bottom part. After stitching the bottom part, now we have to place the zip, and I'm going to show you how you can place the zip. I have opened the zip completely, and now I'm putting it at the place where I've left my stitch. I have to fix it there, and for that I am pinning it so that it doesn't move. And now we'll place both the sides with the pin. Like this. Pinning all the way bottom till top. Till the top, and I'm done. Let's start stitching. We have to give a 1 centimeter stitch which joins the zip with our top. It's a slightly tricky one, but you'll get used to it after doing it 2-3 times. Our zip is joined now. After joining the zip, we have to join our facings. I'm putting it upwards at the zip and giving 1 centimeter stitch all the way to our bustier part till center back. That's how you are going to give 1 centimeter stitch. Our facing has been joined now. After joining the facing, we have to give an edge stitch by pulling all the seam allowances down. We have to give a very thin edge stitch at the very edge of our stitching line. Our edge stitch is done now. And now I'm cutting the excess zip part before sandwiching the zip into our facings. After cutting the zip, we have to sandwich the facings into 1 centimeter allowance and then put a stitch for locking it. This will lock our zip as well. And that's how you're going to put your 1 centimeter stitch. Our facings are done now. The top is ready with the sleeves. Let's attach the sleeves. I'm pinning it before stitching it so that it gets locked and doesn't move when I'm going to put a stitch here. Let's get to the stitching. I'm putting just 2 centimeter stitch. After attaching both the sleeves, this is how it's going to turn out. And this is the final look of our top. If you like this top, please let us know in the comment box. Follow Pattern Couture for more patterns and updates. See you in the next video. Bye bye.